This is a sacred story about Our Lady of the Rosary. Each tale in this series is shared with one purpose: to deepen our love for the Blessed Mother, to inspire devotion to the Holy Rosary, and to help souls find peace through her gentle guidance. May these words awaken faith, hope, and tenderness in every heart that listens. 15 years of silence, a nun who vanished into sin, and a miracle no one could explain. When Beatrice abandoned her convent for forbidden love, everyone thought her lost forever. Yet inside those cloistered walls, something extraordinary was happening. A secret so divine that even the sisters themselves did not know. Who was tending the chapel each day? What force could guard her place for 15 years? Beatrice was a young and beautiful woman in Spain who felt a calling to serve God. She entered a convent in Pondro, where the Mother Superior and all the sisters loved her for her gentleness and devotion. Soon, she was entrusted with caring for the chapel, arranging flowers and candles, opening and closing the doors for the faithful. Whenever she had a moment to herself, Beatrice would kneel before the statue of the Virgin Mary, praying the Rosary with heartfelt devotion. One day, a great celebration brought many people to the church. Among them was a handsome young man who could not take his eyes off the gentle sister. After the service, he lingered, hoping to speak to her. They met again, once, then twice, and temptation slowly overcame her vows. Unable to resist the pull of human desire, Beatrice made a tragic choice. Before leaving, she placed her habit and the chapel keys at the feet of the Virgin Mary and whispered, "Holy Mother, forgive me. I cannot stay. I am leaving." Then she fled with the man. For 15 years, she lived in sin. At first there was pleasure, but beauty fades, and her lover's affection turned to cruelty and betrayal. Sick, abandoned, and broken, Beatrice felt her life slipping away. Her heart ached for the peace she had once known, the prayers, the silence, the comfort of kneeling beneath Mary's gaze. One day, by chance, she met a man who delivered food to her old convent. She dared to ask, "Do you know Sister Beatrice?" He replied, "Of course. She is a holy woman now, the Mother Superior herself." Beatrice froze. How could that be? She decided to return, disguised as a noble visitor. When she arrived, the sisters welcomed her kindly. Curious, she asked for Sister Beatrice, but they assured her that the same Sister Beatrice had never left. Bewildered, she ran to the chapel, and there, before the statue of the Virgin Mary, light filled the room. Our Lady appeared and said gently, "My child, you left me 15 years ago, but I never left you. To protect your name, I took your place. No one ever knew. Now, repent and return. Here are your habit and your keys. Resume your service as before." Then the Blessed Mother vanished. Beatrice re-entered the convent and lived the rest of her days in holiness and gratitude. Before she died, she told her sisters the whole story and said through tears, "Our Lady saved me because I prayed the Rosary every day." Witnesses later confirmed the truth. Among them Jesuit Fathers Cesario, Rowe, Raymond, and Piquet, testifying to the power of the Rosary and the mercy of the Mother of God.